Good morning, students. So today I am going to discuss the part 4 of the prose, The Tiger King, from your book The Vistas. The Maharaja's tiger hunts continued to be highly successful. Within 10 years, he was able to kill 70 tigers, and then an unforeseen hurdle brought his mission to a standstill. The tiger population became extinct in the forest of Prativandapuram. Who knows whether the tigers practiced birth control or committed harakiri or simply ran away from the state because they desired to be shot by the British hands alone. So the Maharaja began his mission on tiger hunts, and now he has successfully killed 70 tigers. Within 10 years, he was able to kill 70 tigers. And then an unforeseen hurdle brought his mission to a standstill. So suddenly there was unforeseen hurdle of his mission. There was some unplanned problems. What was the problem? The tiger population became extinct in Prativandapuram. So in the kingdom of Prativandapuram, there are no more tigers to be killed. Who knows whether the tiger practiced birth control? So there is humor in it, in these sentences. There is humor that if the tigers practiced birth control, or they commit suicide, or simply they ran away from Prativandapuram because they do not want to be killed by the Indians, but they want to be killed by the British. So these are only humor used. One day the Maharaja sent for the Diwan. Diwan Sahib, aren't you aware of the fact that 30 tigers still remain to be shot down by this gun of mine? He asked, brandishing his gun. So the target was 100 tigers. The Tiger King, the Maharaja of Prativandapuram, has to kill 100 tigers. Now he is able to kill only 70 tigers and 30 tigers still remain. Therefore the Maharaja sent for the Diwan, sent for the official, and he asked if the Diwan was not aware of the fact that 30 tigers still remain to be shot down. Shuddering at the sight of the gun, the Diwan cried out, "Your Majesty, I am not a tiger." This is a comic scene from this chapter, comic scene between the Diwan and the Maharaja. So one day the king called his minister, the Diwan, and asked about the 30 tigers to be killed. But when he was brandishing his gun, he was terrified. The Diwan was so terrified that the Diwan said that I am not a tiger. He thought that the Tiger King, the Maharaja, would aim at him. Which idiot would call you a tiger? No, and I am not a gun. Then the Maharaja said that I am not an idiot to think you to be a tiger. I know you are not a tiger. Then the Diwan said, he was so terrified that he said again, I am not a gun, that he is not a gun either. You are neither tiger nor gun, Diwan Sahib. I summoned you here for a different purpose. I have decided to get married. So the Tiger King, the Maharaja, knew that the Diwan is not a tiger, or neither a tiger nor a gun. He only called the Diwan because he decided to get married. The Diwan began to babble even more. Your Majesty, I have 2 wives already. If I marry you. So this is the comic scene that the Diwan is so terrified. He said, Your Majesty, I have 2 wives. I have already 2 wives, and if I marry you. Don't talk nonsense. Why should I marry you? What I want is tiger. So while the Diwan is talking nonsense. He thought that the Maharaja is going to marry the Diwan, but it's not like that. The Maharaja want to marry the minister, or nor he wanted to marry a tiger, because the minister, the Diwan, the minister was so confused that it's so confused and so terrified that he thought the Tiger King, the Maharaja, is going to marry him, and he is talking such kind of things in a silly way. The Maharaja scolded him and said that he wanted a tiger. So the writer again creates humor when he says the minister told the king that he should think over his decision. Your Majesty, I have two wives. If I marry you, don't talk nonsense. Why should I marry you? What I want is tiger. So what the Maharaja wanted? He wanted tiger. Again, Your Majesty, please think it over. Again, the Diwan thought that the Tiger King, the Maharaja, is going to marry a tiger. Your ancestors were married to the sword. If you like, marry the gun. A tiger is more than enough for this state. A tiger king is more than enough for this state. It doesn't need a tiger queen as well. So the Diwan is talking in a silly way. He thought that the Maharaja is going to marry a tiger. The Maharaja added that a loud crack of laughter. The Maharaja laughed loudly. I am not thinking of marrying either a tiger or a gun, but a girl from the ranks of human beings. So now there is the clarification from the Maharaja that he does not want either a tiger or a gun, but he wanted a girl from the rank of human beings. First, you may draw up statistics of tiger populations in the different native states. Next, you may investigate if there is a girl I can marry in the royal family of a state with a large tiger population. So, what did the Tiger King want? The Tiger King, the Maharaja of Prativandapuram, wanted to marry a girl from a state with large tiger population. So the question may arise, what did the Maharaja of Prativandapuram decide when the tiger extincted in the forest of Prativandapuram? When the tigers became extinct in the Prativandapuram, the Maharaja of Prativandapuram decided to marry a girl from a royal family of a state with a large number of tiger population. The Diwan followed his orders. He found the right girl from a state which possessed a large number of tigers. So the Diwan followed the order of the Maharaja and he found a girl from a royal family with a large number of tigers. Maharaja Jangjang Bahadur killed 5 or 6 tigers each time he visited his father-in-law. In this manner, 99 tiger skins adorned the walls of the reception hall in Prativandapuram Palace. So, Maharaja Jangjang Bahadur, the Maharaja of Prativandapuram, the hero of our story, the Tiger King Jangjang Bahadur, killed 5 or 6 tigers each time he visited his father-in-law. So in this manner, 99 tiger skin adorned. So in this manner, the Tiger King is able to kill 99 tigers, and the tiger skins adorn the walls of the reception hall in Prativandapuram Palace. The tiger skins were used for decoration of the walls of the Prativandapuram Palace. So this is about the 4th part of the story of the Tiger King.